Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing here of the MSI Thin 15. This is a 15.6-inch Full HD, 144 hertz refresh rate. Of course, it is a gaming laptop. This has an i15 1320H in it, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabyte SSD. This is new from this year. This is from Walmart. At least I bought mine from Walmart. It was on sale for $600. Normally it is $700. And it looks like it has 4 gigabytes for the video for that GeForce. So hopefully this will be pretty decent. I really just want it for to do Xbox capturing. Alright, the first thing we're greeted with is the laptop itself. We'll come back to this in just a second. Next, we have paperwork and this little bracket. And of course, we have our charging cable charger as well. Going back to the laptop itself, it is, of course, very nice looking being an MSI. Of course, you have the symbol right there. And do as the best I can with the room I have here. So we have our fan. We have our USB-A, just one of them there. Have our input. On the other side, gets a bit better. So we have the headphone and the mic. There are 2 USB-A's, USB-C, the Ethernet port, and then the lock. And then there is nothing on the front here. And of course, underneath you have some more fans. Looking at the keyboard here, this thing is pretty sweet. I've not actually done a gaming laptop in probably a couple years now. The WASD keys, hopefully you guys can see there, look like you should be able to see through them. They look see-through, very, very cool. Has some special stuff over here. Bunch of different keys. Our power button is right here. Very, very flush, very cool looking. It's a very modern looking laptop, I would say. The touchpad is, I think, a little bit off-center. I want to say it's a tiny bit off-center. We'll see how that is when we open this up. And again, I'm sorry, I have no better way of showing this thing off with how my setup is here. But this is all grayed out. I think it looks actually really cool. There's also MSI right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is MSI. One thing I will say is this top part, when you tap it, does feel cheap and sound cheap. The sides and bottom do feel better though. But that does feel a little bit cheap. But again, this is a gaming laptop for only $600. You don't really touch that part too much. And then there is also the webcam up there as well. And I do need to make a correction here. I don't know why I call this an Ethernet port. HDMI port right there, not Ethernet. I don't know why I said Ethernet. And then of course on this side, the first thing there is going to be for the charging. I think I just called it an input. It is the charger. So yeah, that's just an unboxing. Once I use this for a little bit, I'm going to do some gaming on this as well. As I said, using a capture card to, external capture card, Elgato capture card, to record some Xbox stuff. I'll come back and do a review on this, see how it is. First impressions are this thing is pretty nice looking, especially for being a gaming laptop for $600 on sale. You guys let me know what you think of this, especially if you have one. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.